In the bustling heart of Johannesburg, one name that emerges from the heavy South African traffic is Absa Bank. Welcome back to Mzansi Best Brands. Today, we explore one of the most complex players in South Africa's financial landscape. From its early days to its latest ventures, let's uncover how Absa Bank became a powerhouse of African banking. Absa starts in earnest in 1991 when it is formed through the merger of several banks, including Bankorp, United Bank, Trust Bank, and Allied Bank. These financial institutions played a significant role in empowering Absa since 1934. Then in 2005, Barclays PLC acquired a majority stake, which introduced global opportunities but also came with challenges. It was one of the most pivotal moments in Absa's history, when one of the UK's largest banks purchased a 56.4% stake in Absa for approximately 33 billion rand. This brought international expertise and capital, helping Absa expand its product offerings and modernize its systems. But in 2018, Barclays sold its majority stake, and Absa rebranded as a standalone African bank, independent but strong. Today, Absa Group is listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange and remains one of the big four banks in South Africa. Let's have a closer look at the old bank pieces that make up the whole of Absa Bank. Bankorp, the first pieces, established in 1889 as one of the oldest South African financial institutions, was an amalgamation of a series of banks, including the Bank of Johannesburg. By the 1980s, Bankorp became a major player in corporate and retail banking. However, it was later embroiled in controversies related to state bailouts during the apartheid era. Originally founded as Volkskas Bank in 1934, United Bank was established to also serve the Afrikaner population, offering financial services to a previously underserved segment of the South African population. The bank played a major role in providing loans for small businesses and farming communities, and it steadily grew its customer base among minority populations. Trust Bank, another piece, was initially created in 1950 to focus on personal banking services. Over the years, it built a reputation for being a customer-centric institution, with a specific emphasis on helping Afrikaners achieve home ownership through mortgage products. Formed from a combination of several financial entities in 1970, Allied Bank expanded rapidly to serve both personal and commercial banking needs. The bank was known for its innovation in customer service, pioneering the extension of credit to small and medium enterprises, SMEs in a variety of sectors. The bailout of Bankorp with the merging of United, Trust and Allied in 1991 under the Amalgamated Banks of South Africa, Absa, formed one of the largest financial groups in South Africa. Absa's controversial involvement in the Bankorp bailout during the apartheid era remains a sensitive issue. The South African government and the Truth and Reconciliation Commission have investigated claims that Absa benefited unfairly from public funds. Legal and public inquiries into these claims have been ongoing, though no substantial penalties have been enforced against the bank. But this and the consolidations provided Absa Bank with a significant market share and the ability to compete with the established Standard Bank and Nedbank. Absa has a strong presence in rural areas, providing agricultural loans and services. And despite its history, Absa's commitment to its employees is part of what makes it stand out. In 2023, it ranked among the top 10 companies in South Africa for employee satisfaction, citing a culture of diversity and innovation. Absa's rebranding follows a cultural shift. The circular lowercase logo reflects community inclusion and digital leadership, symbolizing its journey towards a more human-centered African bank. This rebrand, designed by Miles Newlin, created a dynamic and adaptable identity, emphasizing Africanacity, the spirit of entrepreneurial African resilience. In 2024, Absa revealed its new brand promise, Your Story Matters, putting customer experience at the forefront. Absa's reach extends beyond South Africa. It operates in 12 African countries, including Botswana, Kenya, Ghana, and Zambia, serving millions of customers across the continent, with over 35,000 employees, with its New York and London offices. As of 2023, Absa serves over 9.7 million retail and business banking customers across its African footprint. In the same year, Absa reported 89 billion rands in revenue, driven by strong growth in its digital and corporate banking segments. One of Absa's major deals was partnering with HSBC to offer global equities and securities finance services to its South African clients, giving it access to international markets. Among the colored and Indian communities, Absa is the top choice, known for their customer service and broad product range. We've focused heavily on digital transformation, aiming to provide seamless banking experiences through mobile apps and online platforms. Absa's impact goes beyond just banking. Through initiatives like the Absa Premiership Football League and its Ready to Work program, the bank has consistently focused on youth empowerment, education, and sports development since the early 2000s. With the Absa Foundation, Absa focuses on community upliftment, with programs targeting education, enterprise development, and financial literacy. Through the Ready to Work initiative, Absa supports young graduates by providing skills to enhance employability. Absa has been involved in various social causes, including partnering with the Nelson Mandela Foundation to support educational initiatives and promote youth empowerment in honor of former President Nelson Mandela's legacy. However, not all has been smooth for Absa. Over the years, the bank has faced several legal challenges, from allegations of hidden transactions to involvement in apartheid-era financial dealings. In 2017, a court case alleged that Absa had benefited from an apartheid-era loan it didn't repay. The bank denied the accusations, but it sparked public outcry and legal investigations. We wanted to reflect the resilience and ingenuity of Africans, hence the term Africanacity. It's about showcasing the ability to always find a way. With over 10 million customers, Absa's mobile banking platform is among the most widely used in South Africa, offering innovative products such as virtual cards and advanced biometric security. Absa has been at the forefront of digital banking innovation, launching services such as Absa Chat Banking, allowing customers to bank via WhatsApp, and Absa Virtual Wallet. It was also the first South African bank to roll out contactless payments on a large scale. Despite this, Absa continues to position itself as a trusted financial institution, maintaining a solid customer base. Absa has committed to being more than just a bank. It's a force for good. From financial literacy programs to supporting agricultural communities, Absa has made social responsibility a priority. Projects like the Kingdom Ambassadors Children's Village in Napier reflect their dedication to uplifting vulnerable groups, with Absa playing a crucial role in rural development and education initiatives. Under the leadership of CEO Ari Rautenbach, Absa is more than just a financial institution. It's a bank rooted in the idea that a better Africa is possible, not just for the privileged few, but for everyone. As it navigates the challenges of the modern world, Absa continues to redefine what it means to be a bank in Africa, driven by its people, for its people. Absa's marketing strategy has evolved over the decades. Early campaigns emphasized trust and stability, while modern campaigns focus on inclusivity and technological innovation. Absa's journey from a merger of Africana-focused and other community banks to one of Africa's most significant financial institutions is a testament to its resilience and ability to adapt. Through strategic partnerships, technological innovations, and a commitment to social responsibility, Absa continues to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of banking in South Africa and beyond. From its roots in South Africa to its reach across the African continent, Absa remains a bank shaped by the people, for the people. Absa's evolution from a small merger to a leading African bank is a story of innovation, resilience, and a passion for progress. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll uncover more South African brands making their mark. Time will tell.